Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we are going to have a go at picking this American Series 20, but it's a slightly special Series 20 because it is a cutaway done by l0ckcr4ck3r. I sent this one over to him and he did this one specially for me, so it's got its own special key fob. But what I'm going to do is get it into the vise, try and get it, a bit awkward with the lighting, so that you can actually see what I'm picking inside. Give you all a chance to shout at the screen telling me I'm doing it wrong and I'm on the wrong pin, etc, etc. But at least you'll be able to see exactly what's going on, see how it all works in there. So something a little bit different. So if you give me a few minutes, I'll get this back in the vise, get the camera all set up on it, and hopefully some lighting so you can actually see inside, and we'll give it a go. Anyway, back in a minute. Right, so here we go. Got it all in the vise. It's all a bit of a weird angle to get enough light. There's the key bitting. So it's a bit of a weird angle to pick at as well, so we'll see how we get on. So if I put this key in nice and slowly, you can see all the pins moving, and then we're open. So let's give this a go. Like I say, it's a little bit of a weird angle, so I'll have to try and keep my hand out of the way, otherwise we lose the light. So we'll begin at the beginning. Number 1, a little click, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, a bit of counter rotation on 4, right, was that 4 set hopefully, 5, nothing, 6, counter rotation on 6, and a click. Let's try the front again, 1, a little click off 2, nothing really on 3, 4, 5, tiny click on 5, and nothing on 6. So I bet you're all probably sitting there shouting at the screen, telling me what I've got wrong. But the trouble is I can't see the pins because the camera's in the way, and I can't see the screen. Because of the angle I've had to put everything at. So hopefully this is all in focus. So I've got a feeling I've got something overset. So I heard a couple of bits drop there. Let's try again on. Right, there we go. 1 is now binding. So nice and gentle, got a click on there. 2, right, click on 2, work my way along, everything along there is feeling alright. Start again at the front, 1, couple of clicks on 1, 2, 3, click on 3, 4, 5 and 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so everything's feeling solid. So definitely not open yet. Right, just feeling a fraction of feedback on one, but doesn't want to do anything even with light tension. So how many of you are laughing now? To be honest, it's feeling like we're pretty close, but just something's not quite there. I can't get anything to move. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come on, something, talk to me. Right, click on one, and there we go, we're open. Right, you'll have to hang on a second because I can't get this open without bashing the camera with a tension wrench. So I'll get another one in the bottom, get that one out, and there we go. So let's see if I can get all this out of the way. I don't think we need to gut this, as you can see what's inside it already, but see if we can get this in picture. So there we go, the American Series 20 picked. Just like to say thanks to Foxy as well at Red Cat Imaging. He did one similar to this with a cutaway ABUS, gave me the idea. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.